All right, online, online. All right. You good, man? Riley, gun up on your right. Keep that on the right.
We need a medic over here.
Because you might have a problem.
Yes, Sergeant.
You have a problem, that's what you're telling me? You want to handle it?
Yes, Sergeant, I want to handle it.
Let's go. Handle your problem.
Sorry, you guys said you need a medic. You guys are down? Ah!
No. Wait.